The Florida Master Naturalist Program is an adult education program developed by the University of Florida and provided by participating organizations. Program training will benefit any people interested in learning more about Florida's environment, seeking educational contact hours, or wishing to increase their knowledge for use in education programs as volunteers, employees, ecotourism guides, and others. The mission of the Florida Master Naturalist Program is to promote awareness, understanding, and respect of Florida's natural world among Florida citizens and visitors. There are three course tracks that can be followed to become a Florida Master Naturalist: the core courses, land steward courses, and restoration courses. The three core courses are 40 contact hours of classroom learning, field trips, and practical experiences. The courses include a freshwater systems course, coastal systems course, and an upland systems course. Once all three courses are complete, you will be a certified Florida Master Naturalist. To further your Florida Master Naturalist skills, there are two other course routes. The program offers 4 land steward courses and 4 restoration courses. Each course consists of 24 contact hours of classroom learning and hands-on experience. The 4 land steward courses include environmental interpretation, conservation science, wildlife monitoring, and habitat evaluation. Completion of these 4 courses, along with the 3 core courses, certifies you as an advanced Florida Master Naturalist. The 4 restoration courses include invasive plants, coastal restoration, freshwater restoration, and marine habitat restoration. Completion of these 4 courses, along with the 3 core courses, certifies you as a Restoration Florida Master Naturalist. Graduates of the program receive a certification of course completion, entry into the online graduates database, an embroidered patch, and a course-specific pin. Courses start at $250. There are scholarships available. For more information on the cost of courses, location, availability, dates, and times, check out the FMNP website.